Hey guys, it's TebelloRapabi here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is sponsored by Alipearl hair and I'm very excited. So I'm going to be trying the hair today, see how it is, give you guys like a review. So I really want to thank Alipearl for sponsoring this video. I keep looking at my screen. Why am I not looking at the lens? I love this package. I love the color. Okay, so I have with me this 24-inch lace front wig. Let me try it on and see. Okay. Yeah, first of all, like, I really think this color is gonna look so good on me. So it's like brown, dark brown in color, you guys. This is also pre-plugged. Like, what? And not just like pre-plugged, but like really. Alright, so this is how the hair. Oh! Like, this is, bro, just look at this color. This is so beautiful. Oh my word, like I've never had like this kind of hair before. What? And like, just look at the quality as well. Yeah, I'm about to rock this wig, definitely. This might be my favorite wig. And of course, every hair shreds, okay? And you guys, I really love the thickness of this hair. Like, honestly, this does feel like a really good quality wig. Like, by just holding it, like, I can tell. Babe, this is about to be my favorite wig. I'm not even joking. Okay, I think I should adjust it first. I honestly feel like I've never received like a wig this good before. Are you kidding? What am I? Just never mind me. Like, so I'm gonna, like, with these hair tutorials, I'm still learning and it's gonna take time for me to like perfect everything. Bro, like the way I'm gonna wear this, can you see that? Girl, don't play with me. Scarlet. Oh, Scarlet. Let me zoom in and show you. Babe. Come through, Alipearl. Come through. Okay, maybe I'm just tripping, but I feel like they plugged this so perfectly. Like, yeah, I think it's really like plugged well, right? Yep. Hey, you're going to jail. This color is giving. Okay, I'm just gonna like apply foundation on my lace. Just gonna go like this and I'm just gonna apply it on here. Wait, is this the foundation? I think this is the new foundation. Why I feel like fast DJ? Eh. Now that I put foundation on, like, it looks way more natural even. I think I'm gonna firstly start to cut like on the side. So I'm gonna grab these hair clips. Just go like this. I got these from, oh no, I can't say. I don't know if this lighting is okay, but let me just see if I can do this.
Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling. 6 got like krillin', I'm smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking on killer and taking your bitch on the trip, and I'm fucked on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for 2 things. What? These stupid ass hoes, they feelings. Ayy, all independent, my bitches just callin', they get it. They know they just ballin' off thinny. Chocolate vanilla can't hot, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car and I tinted. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but that it up out of my feelings. I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be feeling. Soon as I hop in, I tune. Scooping that bit like a spoon. I got this effortless sin like that bitch is in tune. Look at it fade when we walked in the room. Ayy, 35 Mac teams. Ayy, I kill me playing my back end. Fucking that show and I'm making her back bend. After my niggas walk in, we tagged in. Ayy, right off the bat. So that she know that I'm back, but I doja that cat. She with that thong, I like them tights. You pulling that pussy to show that it's fat. Made back the back.
So I'm gonna use my Got2b glue freeze spray to lay down my wig, to glue down my wig. I don't know why I'm saying lay down my wig, but I think it's the same thing. Oh! I think this glue got in my eye, bro. Yo! What is wrong with this glue? Something is not okay.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck to look around. Find one to see my type.
Now that I've tied and laid down my wig, I'm really gonna try to, I don't know, I think I should go for the middle part. There's definitely not much I can do to this hair. Like, I don't know, you guys, do you think I should go for the middle part or not? I'm talking as if you guys are gonna answer me right now, but okay. I want to try to like lay it flat, so I'm really thinking of applying water first.
On that runway, on this one way.
So I'm gonna go in with my olive oil mousse. I'm almost out of this. Hey! Yeah, fella. I need to go buy another one.
Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's like, though. I can show.
What I want to do right now is to do what I want to do. So I'm going to use this wig stick that I got from Trendy Tea Hair.
What you see in me gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Now I'm just basically cutting off the excess lace. I would suggest that you use a smaller scissor or those tweezers. Then go ahead again with my Got2b glue. As you guys can see that I'm obviously going with the middle part. So to make my part more visible, I'm going ahead with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Then I'm using my straightener to try and make it more flat. And I guess that is it for this video. I'll leave the link down below in the description box so that you guys can go check the hair out. I totally love the hair. Okay, the quality is amazing. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.
you.